Friends, welcome to all. Today we will discuss about lightning arrestor. It is the topic of high voltage. What is lightning arrestor? It is a device designed to protect electrical equipment from high transient voltage or high surge voltage and to limit the duration and frequency, the amplitude of flow current. Surge arrestors are usually connected the electrical conductors of a network and earth, though they may sometimes be connected across the windings of equipment or between electrical conductors. Here is the image of lightning arrestor is given. Lower end is connected to the earth and this end is connected to the electrical equipment. Types of lightning arrestor. There are three types of lightning arrestors are there. First one is expulsion type, second one is valve type arrestor, and then gapless metal oxide type arrestor. Now, what is expulsion type lightning arrestor? This type of arrestor is also called protector tube and is commonly used on system operating at voltages up to 33 kV. It essentially consists of a rod gap in series with the protector tube. In this figure, we can see here is the rod gap or horn gap and this black is the protector tube and these two are in series. The upper electrode of protector tube is connected to rod gap. Here we can see this upper electrode is connected to rod gap and the lower electrode is connected to earth. So lower electrode, it means this one is connected to ground. Now advantages, they are not very expensive and they can be easily installed. So these are the advantages of expulsion type lightning arrestor. This one is the image of typical expulsion type lightning arrestor. Now valve type arrestor. Valve type arrestors incorporate non-linear resistors and are extensively used on systems operating at high voltages. It consists of two assemblies, series spark gaps and non-linear resistor discs in series. In this figure, we can see in the middle there are spark gaps and below this spark gap there is non-linear resistors and spark gaps and non-linear resistors are connected in series. The non-linear elements are connected in series with the spark gaps and earth. Okay, so lower end of the non-linear resistor is connected to earth. The non-linear resistors have the property of offering a high resistance to current flow when normal system voltage is applied, but a low resistance to the flow of high surge currents. Now this is the property of a non-linear resistor and we have used this property in valve type arrestors. This is the image of typical valve type arrestor. Now gapless metal oxide type arrestor. The gapless metal oxide type arrestor are the most widely used today. The metal oxide lightning arrestor is the most advanced over voltage protector. It is widely used as protective devices against switching in lightning over voltages in power electrical systems such as power transformers, distributors, generators, compressors and capacitors, etc. It means almost all the equipments in the substation are protected through this device. These are the images of typical gapless metal oxide type arrestors. This is the cross section view of gapless metal oxide type arrestor. In this figure, this one is in the middle there is a black metal oxide blocks and it is covered by FRP tube. So yellow one is the FRP tube and silicone rubber sets directly molded on FRP tube. This one is the cage of FRP rods. In upper and lower end, there is a directional pressure relief device. One is here and another one is here. End fittings with directional pressure relief device and sealing system. So this one is the end fittings. So this is the whole about the valve type arrestor. Classification of lightning arrestor. There are 4 classifications of surge arresters: station class, intermediate class, distribution class, and secondary class. The station class surge arrestor is the best because of its cost and overall protective quality and durability. It has the best protection level and energy discharging capability, with successively higher protection levels for the other classes. Nominal discharge current. Peak value of lightning current impulse which is used to classify an arrestor. It is known as nominal discharge current. Surge arrestors are classified by their nominal discharge current. Station class for 10,000 ampere arrestors. Intermediate class series A for 5000 ampere arrestor. Distribution class series B for 5000 ampere arrestor. The secondary for 1500 ampere arrestor. Here is a standard is given: IS 15086 44 surge arrestor part 1 clause 3.1. This is the international standard for the surge arrestor, and according to this standard, these current limits are taken. Identification. Surge arrestor shall be identified by the following minimum information which shall appear on the rating plate or nameplate. One is rated voltage, rated frequency, then nominal discharge current, specifying for the 5000 ampere arrestor whether series A or B, and for 10,000 ampere arrestor whether light or heavy duty. Long duration discharge class for 10,000 ampere heavy duty arrestor. Manufacturer's name or trademark, type and identification, and year of the manufacture. So these are the topics we can identify the arrestor. Now service condition. Normal service conditions. Surge arrestors which conform to this standard shall be suitable for normal operation under the following normal service conditions. One is ambient temperature within the range of -40 degrees centigrade to +40 degrees centigrade. So this is the range for normal service conditions. Another one is solar radiation, then altitude not exceeding 1000 meter, frequency of AC power supply not less than 48 Hz and not exceeding 62 Hz. Wind speed should be less than or equal to 34 meter per second. So these are the conditions. If all these conditions are satisfied, then we can say this is the normal service conditions. Now abnormal service conditions. Surge arrestor subjected to other than normal application or service conditions may require social consideration in design, manufacture or application. The use of this standard in case of abnormal service conditions is subjected to agreement between the manufacturer and the purchaser. A list of possible abnormal service condition is given. If the temperature is exceeds of +40 degree or below -40 degree, then it will be considered as abnormal condition. Altitude greater than 1000 meter, it is also abnormal. Nominal system frequency below 48 Hz or above 62 Hz is also considered as abnormal condition. Unusual transportation or storage, abnormal vibration or mechanical shocks. So these are the typical abnormal service conditions. Now this is the diagram. System without arrestor. If the power system without arrestor is there and lighting strike to the, if we have to protect the system, then we must have to install the lightning arrestor at the top of the system. Now there is a monogram, one building, we can see one building, and top of the building there is a capture the lighting strike. So location of the lightning arrestor is top of the building. So and this one is the directly connected to the ground. We can see here this one is directly connected to ground, so it will protect whole building. Without protected house with lightning arrestor, it may burning out due to lightning strike, and house may be damaged total. This one is protected house with lightning arrestor. With protection of lightning arrestor, we can see this type of shield we can create, and we can save the building of this area. Applications. Lightning arrestors are used on tall buildings to prevent lightning from causing physical damage to infrastructure. It is used on power lines to protect the cables from lightning. Lightning arrestors are used power outlets to protect electronic devices from surges of electricity. So these are the applications of. Conclusion. All electrical equipment is an electrical system needs to be protected from voltage surges. The rating of the arrestor, the class of arrestor and location of the arrestor all play in a part in the surge protection. In tall buildings, ground is used to discharge, and in ships, water is used to discharge the voltage. In protection of substation, we use different class of lightning arrestors to protect the electrical equipment. Thank you.